Well, this is the KTM SXE5 electric motocross bike, dirt bike, call it what you will. It's pretty tall, pretty heavy, it's 40 kilos. It's got adjustable seat height. You can adjust the rear shock through that bolt just there, or you can adjust you can move the rear subframe as well to adjust the seat height. There's also an aftermarket suspension kit. You can take another 50mm out of the seat height as well. So that's your motor, on-off button, rear brake, front brake. Your throttle's outside obviously, and then you've got the old wrist guard as well, so you slip that over your wrist and then that pops out if you come away from the bike. There's also underneath the seat, if you pop the seat out, you can take a magnet out, which then means that whoever's riding cannot adjust the modes. There are 6 modes. One is the easiest, you know, for real newbies, novices, and then 6 is like crazy fast, almost race pace. The battery on level 1's going to last a good hour and a half if you're just pootling around the garden, whereas on 6 it's much more, you know, if you're racing, it's going to be, you're going to be all out battery in about 20-25 minutes. But then from zero, literally an empty battery, up to about 80% battery, you're probably 40 minutes charge. Up to full, it's about 70 minutes. Adjustable front suspension. It's really well put together, really bolted together so well. It's beautiful, really. Maxxis tyres, WP suspension. It's got high-end componentry, but then it's £4,500.